So it's already January the 17th, kind of 2.5 weeks into 2020, and I can already feel the kind of humdrum of everyday work life taking over, and I'm desperately trying to remember my 2020 goals and stick with them. I think sometimes, especially if you've got a busy job, I work in marketing, and it's, every day it's kind of crazy. There's always a ton of things to do, and there's always new things that pop up all of the time. But I'm really trying to focus on my 3 goals, my 3 personal goals for 2020. The first one was just to try and be a bit more positive, to try and smile a bit more over the Christmas. I read How to Win Friends and Influence People, and one of the best ways to create better relationships is just to smile a bit more, and so I'm trying to do that. The second, my personal goals, was kind of a simple one really. I wanted to keep all of them simple and attainable, I suppose, and it's just to be a better version of myself and to make incremental improvements in some of my let's say personal habits. And I'm kind of doing okay, 7 out of 10 I would say in that respect. And then the final one, my personal goals, I can't remember it now. What was it? It's not very good, is it? Improve my memory possibly. So the final goal was to do what I can do today and not tomorrow. So for a long time now I've written down a list of daily tasks, like the key things that I need to do in a day, and I'm still doing that. And so far I've got a 100% record there, so that particular goal is going very well. I want to keep that up for 2020. What were your goals or resolutions for 2020, and how are you doing on them 2.5 weeks into the new year? Let me know in the comments below.